Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when an iPhone 15 won't update iOS. Recently, you frequently got a pop-up on iPhone 15 telling you a new iOS is available to install. You go to the Settings app and attempt to do a software upgrade, but unexpectedly, you can't update iPhone 15. Maybe there is nothing about the new update but the unknown error appearing there. Perhaps it fails at the downloading software update stage. These issues often trace back to the iOS compatibility, internet connection, memory space, battery power, or system operation. This guide here walks you through the clear and practical instructions to fix iPhone 15 not updating problems. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Check if your iPhone 15 supports the latest iOS. Till 2026, the latest version of iOS compatible with iPhone 15 series is iOS 26. It doesn't matter if you use iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, or iPhone 15 Pro Max. To see whether your iPhone 15 has been added to the compatible devices for newer iOS in the future, use the link in the description below to check it out. Step 2. Update an iPhone 15 in Settings app. After checking the compatibility, let's go through the update process again. There are mainly two ways to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone 15. The first one is updating the device over the air. This is the common way, where users can directly download and install iOS on the Settings app. Alright, now, connect your iPhone 15 to Wi-Fi and plug it into a power source. Then, open the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. When a new iOS lists on the screen, tap Download and Install. The update will be triggered soon and tell you the estimated time that the process requires. Just wait for the process to complete. Step 3. Update an iPhone 15 using a computer. The second one is to apply a program on a desktop or laptop to upgrade the operating system. If you're unable to update iPhone 15 wirelessly, consider this alternative way. Get a Windows PC or a Mac OS computer, as others are not currently supported. On a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or higher, open Finder or the latest version of Apple Devices app. On a Mac with Mac OS Mojave or lower, or a Windows machine, run the latest version of iTunes or Apple Devices app. Use a lightning cable to attach your iPhone 15 to the computer. If prompted, tap Trust this computer on the phone. Once detected, your device will be shown in the left sidebar of the application window. Tap General or Summary. You'll see a Check for Update option. Move the mouse cursor to click it, then click Download and Update. If prompted, enter the lock passcode set up on the device to confirm. The time the iOS update process will take depends on the internet speed on the computer. Step 4. Spare enough memory for new software. Do you get an alert saying more storage required when an iPhone 15 is not updating? Clearly, the available free storage on the device is insufficient to install the new firmware. Check how much space is required on the prompted screen. Then, delete unused apps, media, contacts, browser history, or downloads so your iPhone 15 will have more room for the latest iOS update installation. Once done, go to Settings and see if you can update the operating system there. Step 5. Check the internet connection. Normally, it'll take at least 1 hour to fully download and install an iOS update. If your iPhone 15 is taking ages to update, sometimes it indicates that the server is down or the internet connection is poor. So, first of all, go to Apple's System Status page and take a look if anything fails. If it says all services are operating normally, then check your iPhone 15's internet connection. To ensure a smooth iOS download process, it's best to use a Wi-Fi network with strong signals. Once connected, verify that the wireless network has internet access. Open Safari to see if the website loads properly. Or, connect other devices to the same Wi-Fi network to confirm they have internet connectivity. Also, if you have a third-party VPN installed, it could stop your iPhone 15 from updating iOS. To fix it, delete the VPN profiles in Settings and remove the app. Then, you should get a smooth process of downloading and installing the iOS to iPhone 15. Step 6. Keep your phone plugged into power. As the iOS installation process takes at least 1 hour and can sometimes take even longer, the device's battery power serves as the essential fuel. If you find the update doesn't complete, connect your iPhone 15 to a wall socket and keep it plugged in. At the same time, stop all the background activities so that the device can focus on the update. Step 7. Power cycle the device. Some users can't install the latest version of iOS on an iPhone 15 due to errors. For instance, unable to check for update, unable to verify update, etc. In this case, there might be something wrong with the device's current operating system so that it's unable to contact the update servers. To sort it out, press either volume keys and power key and switch off the device. Then, press and hold the power key to start up. Make an attempt again and you should be able to update iOS on your iPhone 15 now. Step 8. Delete previous update. Your iPhone 15 is stuck on a software update and can't start again. Try to delete the downloaded firmware to avoid conflicts. To do that, open Settings and tap General. Choose iPhone Storage. Scroll all the way down and you should find the update that doesn't complete. Tap the downloaded iOS update, then choose Delete Update. Once done, go back to the Settings menu. Choose General, then tap Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update again. Step 9. Explain the situation to Apple. Contact the official Apple support by making a call or chatting with customer service online. Explain the iPhone 15 not updating issues to them clearly and they will tell you what to do next. If you live near an authorized service center, bring the device there to have it checked. They'll give you a diagnostic report about the phone's functions and tell you if a repair is required. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 that won't update. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.